Hey everybody, happy Monday. Okay, so for this week, we are going to review the picture whose name begins with the letter A. And the letter A and the sound, okay? Long sound and short sound of the letter A. So repeat after me, okay? Ant, apple, book, pumpkin, alligator, astronaut, axe, mouse, and alphabet. So you have to circle, color, and trace the name of the picture whose name begins with the letter A. Very good. Thank you for that's it for today. Bye bye.